Hello there guys, this is Sahil and you're watching TechSal. So today I'll be showing you how to upgrade your RAM on your laptop, and it's really simple guys. I'm doing this for the first time and I'm pretty sure even you guys can do it. So yeah, I'll be providing the links in the description to the RAM sticks which I use in this video. So yeah, and main point before moving into the video, if you're planning on buying RAM sticks, make sure you buy the RAM sticks which are similar to the one which is, you know, placed in your laptop, in terms of speeds, megahertz, and latency. So the one which I'm using here is 3200 megahertz and latency is 22. So yeah, let's move into the video. So yeah guys, for tying down this laptop, first you'll be needing the RAM, and you can use any plastic tool. I'm using my brother's toy to pry open this, and then a star screwdriver. I guess this is size 0. You can just check it according to your laptop. So yeah guys, let's start opening. So we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we have total of 7 screws on this laptop. So yeah guys, let's open the screws. So yeah guys, take a plastic tool like this for prying it open. Don't use metal objects as it might damage the laptop. Slowly go through the edges and lift. So yeah guys, after opening the laptop, just lift this black cover up. Slowly. After you open it up, take your RAM and make sure the sticker part is on the top. So put it in a 30-degree angle and then just slowly put it down until it latches. So as you can see guys, it has latched down, and then just so yeah guys, after upgrading the RAM, close your laptop back and turn on your PC. Then go to Task Manager. As you can see, it shows so total of 16 GB. That means the RAM is working perfectly, and both the RAM sticks are working at 3200 megahertz speed. So yeah guys, it's working flawlessly and no issues. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So this is Sahil signing off. Peace.